Shwmai, I'm Adam and welcome to the garden. And in our video today, we're going to look at how to plan the garden. So we're up in the garden, excited and eager to get planning. There are three main steps that I think are important when we're planning our garden. The first step is to get to know your garden. Know where there's shade, know where the sun rises, are there windy spots or cold spots. All this information is vitally important to understand what kind of planting schemes we can have in our gardens. The second step is drawing up a plan and understanding what you'd like in your garden. Draw a list of all the things you'd like to include in your garden and then try and plot those out by drawing a sketch or by using specific garden design software. As you can see from my vegetable garden plan here, I've designed where I'm going to plant my veg for this growing season. One point I'd like to emphasise is, although you will create your plan and you'll decide where you want to put things in your garden, it's okay to change and vary that plan as time goes on. Be creative with your garden, and our habits and our taste will change as we progress with our garden, so don't feel that you have to restrict yourself to your original plan. Allow that plan to evolve over time. And the third step then, and this is the fun and exciting part of designing your garden, is actually implementing your plan. Look at where you're going to plant things and ensure that you plan your activities in the garden around that plan. As you can see here, I'm actually planting a row of French marigolds alongside my lettuce plants because I'm eager that my vegetable garden also includes flowers as well, so that it's also aesthetically pleasing. One thing that's very important to acknowledge when you're creating your plan is the kind of plants that you intend to grow. For example, I'm planting sweet peas here against the trellis along the shed. Now, sweet peas are quite vigorous growing plants that can shade out other plants. So when I'm plotting where I'm going to plant such plants, it's important to ensure that they don't create unnecessary shade in the garden. And so make sure that you understand the nature of the plants that you're planting and do a little bit of research beforehand to give your garden the best chance to grow and flourish. It's also important to acknowledge that some plants are far more permanent than others. For example, I'm planting an apple tree here in the orchard in a space that I know that apple tree will successfully grow over a long period of time, but also won't hamper or affect the growth of the other plants I intend to grow in my garden. So I hope that's given you an idea of how you can go about planning your garden. Firstly, remember to get to know your garden, create a plan, and then implement that plan. But the important point to remember most of all is that a garden is a space we should enjoy. Be creative with your ideas and allow them to evolve into the garden that you really want to have. Tan y tro nesa, hwyl am y tro.